Hello everybody, Jim Fleeler, Charlotte Products in North America. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to talk about another one of our peak performing products. It's the Envirosolutions brand. We've actually began manufacturing that in 1992, one of the very first certified cleaning brands in the industry. Has all the certification and documentation that you need to be safe, and safety really comes into play when you're in washrooms and cleaning bowls and urinals and sinks, because generally people will use a hydrochloric acid bowl cleaner, a phosphoric acid, a citric acid, maybe even a dairy acid. And hydrochloric acid is really the nastiest of them all. Well, what we find is if you're using too aggressive of an acid, it will actually have a risk of the employee wellness, eyes, burns, skin, things like that, even respiratory issues. It will also burn the fixture. So the porcelain, it'll eliminate the stains and very quickly, but it'll actually have a tendency to burn and pit the porcelain, which then when you get stains in hard water continuously over time, it almost becomes impossible to clean. So let's think of you, let's think of your safety, and let's put the best performing like acid product in here that will actually do the job for you, okay? So it's a ready to use. It comes in gallon containers. It also comes in quart bottles as well that's ready to use. And the way I would use this is I'm going to lower, if I'm doing bowls, I'm going to lower the water bowl. I'm going to apply this around the rim, let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes, give it a brush agitation, and then flush and wipe the rim and walk away. Same thing if you're using a quart bottle. If I'm using it in a urinal, I'm going to take the flip cap, I'm going to apply it up in the top of the urinal so it actually has dwell time to ooze down the sides of the urinal and clean the salt deposits in the urine and things like that and stains away there. If I'm using it in a shower, I'm going to basically spray it on the surfaces. It's excellent for grout cleaning and things like that. It's also very good for porcelain in sinks and those chrome taps that are found in the bottom of the taps and things like that. You can actually use it on taps for the sink as well. So really most general washroom surfaces, except for glass, you can't use it on, and obviously plastics that are paper towel dispensers and things like that. So Ecologo certified, so again, validation that it's actually proven safer for you and the environment. You can use it, you can actually use it in a spray, in a pump-up sprayer. You can also use it in a foaming product, in a foaming dispenser as well. You can actually, or spray direct, and away you go from there. But that's our ES56, our like acid but not acid, safer for you, very good performing all-around washroom cleaner. Thanks for joining.